What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's well. If you're new here, my name is Brian and I live in Southwest Colorado. In this channel we do everything from riding four-wheelers to paddleboarding to hiking to flying drones to eating at really awesome places. We love to explore, we love to travel, and if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. In this video, we're going to be taking the Air 3 up into one of my favorite valleys near my house. I'm not going to say no names, but if you know, you know, and if you don't, you're going to enjoy it either way. So without any further ado, let's go take a look-see. Alright guys, so I ain't going to lie, I've been a little hesitant to take this bigger drone off out of my hands, but I've done it once before, so let's see how it goes for the second time. Alright, so it started getting super windy. Started getting a little dicey for the Air 3. Usually the Air 3 can handle some winds, but I don't know what kind of gusts these are. I know they're those mountain gusts, but... So we're going to do a little side quest. We're going to go check out this waterfall nearby. And go see what that's looking like in the middle of spring. Let's go check it out, check it out. so that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the view. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, keep living the scenic route.